Educators, how much time do you spend planning lessons and activities every week? What if there was a way you could swap hours for minutes and create custom activities that match your curriculum and get students thinking? With Canva's AI-powered activities, you can choose from whiteboards, worksheets, and games, then adapt them to your classroom in minutes. So you're not just saving on time, you're also creating learning experiences that help your students learn best. Here's how. Okay, it's a Sunday night. You're prepping for the week and you need a science activity for grade 10. Something that gets your students really thinking, not just filling in blanks. First stop, the Learn Grid. It's the place on Canva for all things education. You can browse our library of thousands of lessons, activities, and resources in 16 different languages. And because everything's in the same place, you can discover, create, and teach without bouncing between different tools. Today's activity examples are linked in the description below the video if you want to check them out. To create an activity, we'll go to Create with AI. You'll see we've got 3 different activity types to choose from. Each one is designed for a different kind of learning experience. Whiteboards are great for visual thinking, worksheets for solo work, and interactive games for real-time practice. For my learning goal today, I'm going to go for a whiteboard. These are great for brainstorming, mapping out ideas, and helping students form opinions. There are all kinds of whiteboard activities to choose from. Just click around to learn more about them. There's everything from cause and effect to different points of view. Oh, this one called What Do You Think? Looks perfect. Now watch how fast I can match the activity to exactly what my students are studying. This part's pretty cool. In the activity pop-up, I'll set the curriculum, the grade, and the subject. Then I'll choose the topic. For my class, it's environmental change effects. And here, under Make It Relevant, I can add even more detail about the activity. Ethical considerations surrounding biotechnology and genetic engineering. Now let's see what happens when I click Create Activity with AI. And while that's loading, quick side note, all your AI-powered activities save automatically. You can find them again in Recents or in Classroom for Canva education users. Every activity generated is fully editable, so you can jump in if you need to. Click the activity from the pop-up on the right to open it. Let's have a look through what's been generated. We've got our activity goals, guided sections that help students explore their thinking, and a creative part here that gets students to make a meme or a bumper sticker. And the whole way through, there are instructions to keep everyone on the same page. Now I can customize things, just like any other Canva design. I can make any changes to the content. I'll just change the text here to this. And I can also add to what's here. I'll go to Uploads, where I can add a video or an image. Or I can even record myself as a talking head to give some extra guidance. And when your activity is ready to go, sharing is easy. You can either send it straight to your Canva education classes or push it through your LMS, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, whatever you use. Hit Assign and you're all set. So we've built and customized a whiteboard, but there's still 2 more activity categories to choose from, depending on your learning goal. If you're looking for something students can work through on their own, something like a reading task, or a set of practice questions, or a reflection activity, then take a look at worksheets. I'm looking for something to help my grade 5 English class. We're working on figurative language. And see, There's all kinds of worksheets for web and print here. This one sounds great. Put it to practice. I can tailor it to my class to make it even more relevant. Watch how specific you can be. I'm going to suggest the exact text I want to reference and what I want my students to analyse and explain. Then I'll hit create. And here's what we get. See how the layout gives students space to explore the text, define key terms, and then reflect on what they've learned? It's structured, but there's room for their own thinking. Now all I need to do is make any edits and share it with my class. And to finish up, these could be my favourite activities, interactive games. They're great for helping students practice and get instant feedback. So, say my grade 7 math class is learning about angles. How about this one? Categorize it. I'll add some details and share exactly what I want them to practice. Then I get Canva AI to create my activity. You can choose from different games. Think, fill in the blank, answer multiple choice questions, or match A to B. Okay, and here's our result. See how students get to drag and drop different types of angles into categories? Nice, right? Then they check their own answers and reset to try again. And here's something super useful. Their answers feed straight into a Canva sheet, so you can track their progress without ever leaving Canva. In a few quick steps, we've gone from idea to 3 completely different activities, tailored to different classes, and to different styles of learning. You're still in the driver's seat, but with Canva AI, you get a starting point that suits you, so you can shape activities faster and get back those hours every week. If you want to keep building your skills, check out the Engage Students with Canva course in the description. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time.